Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने मेरे Instagram पे DM किया था कि मेरा जो ये wavy hair वाला look है वो मैं कैसे कर रही हूँ and how my hair has grown from this to this. So I thought I'll make this dedicated video for you to tell you what exactly I use for my hair growth. So if you want to know like my hair journey, then stay tuned in the video. Let's get started. So we all know that natural ingredients are very important and they are very good for our hair. What if I tell you that I have a product which has almost 21 natural ingredients in their product, which has helped me to reduce hair fall and also the growth of my hair at this age. Don't try to guess my age now, okay? I am talking about Pro Touch, which has been recently introduced their Pro Growth Hair Growth Oil. So it is 100% natural and science-backed ingredients, reverse hair balding and graying, improve hair density. So hair density and hair growth, you can surely look into. You can make out the difference. I mean, from my last videos and what I have right now, you can see that density of my hair has increased and also the growth, like the length of my hair has actually come down to this. If I talk about the packaging, it's a nice cardboard packaging. The best part what I like about this hair oil is that it comes with this applicator, which makes my work really easy. Look at the packaging, like white and black is my favorite color and I really like it. It looks very classy and rich. Open this and put this. So it makes your oil application really easy while you do this with this kind of a comb. Put the video some here. As you know, I always get confused कि कहाँ डालूंगी. तो मेरी वीडियो आपको यहाँ पे दिख रही होगी जहाँ मैं इसको एप्लीकेशन कर रही हूँ. Then once you are done with your hair oiling, you can remove this cap and then put it back. And it is very important, to wash this comb after each use with hot water and little bit of shampoo, so that the dust and everything does not come on it and it does not infect your scalp. It is very important to keep your scalp neat and clean if you would like to control your hair fall and also reduce the infections and everything, right? So talking about what this hair oil claims. So first of all, this is another product which is made in India and I'm introducing that on my YouTube channel, which I always love if you would have seen my earlier videos. It is vegan, it is cruelty free and 100% natural. It does not contain any mineral oil, silicone, synthetic color or any paraben or sulfate. So that's one of the best part. Talking about the ingredients, what we have in this is like neem, kalonji, rosemary, bringraj, amla, methi, and it also has a tea tree oil which is very good for your scalp because it does not let your infection, it will control your, in case of any infection because of this pollution, because of the weather, humidity, everything. So tea tree oil is one of the best ingredients for your scalp and hair, and it contains 100% natural 21 cold pressed herbal oils. So if I talk about my experience, so since I have started using it, this oil has actually helped me to grow my hair longer in last few months. I'm using it from last 2 months and this is my second bottle, and I thought like I should share my experience with you so anybody who is struggling like me will be able to help yourself with this kind of ingredients. I'll also show you the kind of hair fall I was having earlier and the kind of hair fall I am having now, which has been reduced drastically. And whenever I get up in the morning, I actually check my pillow how much hair fall am I having. So these are the things which you need to keep in mind once you start using these oils. So if I talk about me, I do not worry about the dandruff, frizziness and dryness of my hair post using this hair oil. So this hair oil is really lightweight and you have to directly apply on your scalp with the help of the comb which is attached. And this hair oil also has some nice hair growth ingredients like redicinal, anagen and prosopil, which helps to grow your hair faster. Clinically tested and has all the properties to regrowth your hair. So once I had a great experience with that, I also thought of trying their another product which I'm going to introduce to you right now. So I'm talking about Pro Touch Biotin and Collagen Hair Growth Drops, which helps to reduce your hair fall, strengthens and boost hair growth. It is ultra concentrated formula. So this is another very cute bottle and it has an applicator of this. So you just have to put it on your scalp and just massage. I'm going to put the video right here for you. So if I'll talk about this product, it enriched with science-backed hair growth actives like redicinal, prosopil, and again blended with essential nutrients like biotin and collagen with the power of onion extract. It's a perfect ultra concentrated formulation that nourishes scalp, stimulates hair follicles to reduce hair fall, and promotes healthier, thicker and stronger hair growth. I have included in my hair growth journey because I had a great experience with the hair oil, so I thought of giving a try to this biotin collagen hair growth drops, and I am sure it will help me get my hair better. So then this, I would also like to suggest few things like if I have also started using the silk pillow covers. So I will suggest you, if you use your cotton pillow covers, you can move your pillow covers to the silk. It helps to less of hair fall, and it also make your stop your hair getting frizzy at night when you sleep. And I will also would like to suggest you, if you use rubber bands instead of that, you can use the crunchies, which is much more softer, and it will also reduce your hair fall when you pull your hair from the rubber band. So I have seen these differences, so that's how I would like to recommend that to you. So I hope you will like this video and you will try these products for yourself and share your experience in the comment section below. I will also try to put the link of these products in my description box for your help, and you can also check out the promo code mentioned in the description, and I will also try to pin the comment so it's easy for you to just click the link and get into the product and use my promo code to save some money. So I will catch you later. Till then, take care of yourself. I'm very happy with my hair and I hope this video helps you to reduce your hair fall and get a better hair growth. Catch you later. Take care, guys. Bye.